to D Squared. So this video is going to be tie-dye and chill.
So basically how this video is going to work, it's our first ever time actually doing tie-dye, making tie-dye just like at home. So we thought, why not document it? So we're just going to create a video on that. And basically you can just either watch us do it, or you can actually take out your tie-dye kits and do it along with us. Basically, before we get on this video, give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below.
And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know when we post.
And let's get right into the video. I'm going to just show you guys our kits. So this is mine.
And this one's mine.
So basically, I'll explain it to you guys. So basically, this is the memorizing kit that I got from Michaels. And basically, there is purple, blue, and there's turquoise-ish, greenish color. And basically, you just create tie-dye. This is how the back looks if you want to see it. Okay, and you can get this at Michaels. Just to give, okay. And on to Delina's.
And so this one's called the Radical Rainbow, and the colors that come in this one are red, yellow, and blue. So it's basically just like the normal like primary colors. And this is the back. So we're kind of hoping to get kind of like this kind of a shirt color, but we're gonna mix things up as well. I might give one of the colors in here to her, and she might give one of the colors.
To start off, it's really sunny, so if we look like squinting our eyes, that's probably why. But we're filming outside, so that's why. Okay, so let's open our kits. Oh, I didn't even know.
Like, both of these kits have the same stuff, like the 3 tie-dye bottles, 20 rubber bands, 1 pair of gloves.
I can show you guys. So basically, oh my bad. So this is the blue one, and this is the purple one, and this is the teal one. So blue, purple, and teal.
This is red. This one is the blue one, and this one is the yellow one.
Yeah. So basically, we are going to be using tie-dye. As you can see, there's already the colors in them, right? You can see. Okay. So our first time, so we have to use the pamphlet. We've seen it in videos, but we
do have 20 rubber bands as well. So that's the good thing about this kit.
Yeah. Also, if you read French, there's a French. Step 1, put the included gloves on. Put the included gloves on and mix your dye. Add warm water up to the neck of the tie-dye bottles and recap the bottles tightly and shake until the powder dissolves.
Yeah, so we already have water on gloves, and we have water already ready with us, so we're just gonna go on and start.
I'm not really comfortable with my gloves a little, but whatever.
Yeah, I'm not really comfortable, so you don't have to use gloves. You can I guess we can remove it because we're gonna wash our hands after. But those who cannot wash their hands,
I think I'm gonna keep one on, so one is.
Those who cannot wash their hands right after can maybe use gloves.
Yeah.
But we are gonna wash our hands right after.
Okay, so then this I put water in it, right? So like that. It's really windy.
It's windy, sunny, so
yes, it's really windy, and I hope nothing falls because we're trying to make it. So I just put water in this?
Yeah.
Okay. Purple, we have yellow, we have blue, and we have red coming. So first you want to cut the get the shirt so I can show them, but the shirts are actually kind of long, like it's kind of like a baggy shirt, I feel.
So here you go. This one's one.
Okay, so this is medium. It's a white shirt from Michaels, but I think I'm going to definitely cut it because, I don't know, I just feel like I want to cut it, right? Don't you want to cut it?
I don't know if I'm cutting mine.
I
think I might not cut mine.
Can we cut it after we're done doing it?
Yeah, you can give it a cut after too.
I think I'm going to cut it after because I want to see how it turns out first.
So yeah,
I guess
we
we're gonna
both
go with
have like a medium shirt.
Yes,
in white. So you
mediums.
can cut it up. These do look kind of big. Although they're adult size.
yeah.
So we might cut them up a bit. We also have another white
Can we
shirt.
do?
Can we make that into a crop top,
or even a tank top?
top,
I've seen
yeah.
some people like tank tops. Meaning, let me show you
There are pictures on the
thing right here. Like people do it like don't know if I'm showing it. Yeah, this one, something like that. I would. Can we cut it so it's like this?
Yeah, we can just give it a cut. So step 2
Get to it.
was soak the pre-washed fabrics you would like to tie-dye in warm water until it is completely saturated. Then wring out your fabric or let it air dry until it is damp, not soaking.
Okay, so I
So
totally
we are
listened to
gonna
that.
have to wash this, I think.
You have to wash this?
We're gonna have to put this in warm water and let it dry until it is damp.
So we're gonna go to our tubs and wash them. Can't of course film it because we already have everything set up here. But we might take a video and on the smaller screen you could see it.
And
But go
be able
to your
see
tub,
that, yes.
pause the video, go to your tub, wash it with warm water,
Yes.
and come back.
We
We just came back.
Yeah.
We actually Delina cut it and I actually went
Because
in.
we just kind of wanted to give it a try. For
So
one of the
this
large
is the large shirt.
So we did give it a bit of a cut.
I don't know why is it like this?
I think it's the other side.
Oh my bad. This is such a chill video, guys.
So we actually gave it a cut here.
Delina's gonna give it to her uncle and tell him to wear it because the hand is too big. But we're gonna go with it and we'll cut it later. But this probably you'll see me wear it in a pajama video.
Yeah. So we did give the bottom a cut
too, but
it's
it's zigzag, but still we got it. And then the other two are regular shirts in warm water. We actually have
We didn't give that a cut.
We didn't give those a cut. We're gonna give them later. Okay, so I heard they have to dry them, right?
Yeah, you have to air dry them. Yeah.
Air dry them, so let's go air
Until
dry
it is
them.
damp.
Basically, we're back to 0 and it's kind of sunny again. But Delina's coming and we just put them on our clothes hangers so they're gonna air dry. Meanwhile, we're just gonna read over.
And just a little tip. When you guys watch this video,
Yes.
I hope this video gives you guys
Like a clear vision of like what you have to do. So
and you should soak your shirts before
Or-
and leave it so you can get right onto
Yeah.
it when you do this. And then step 3, just choose the tie-dye technique below. Follow the directions.
It was just
favorite method.
it was another bucket that we brought that fell.
It's not the water one.
It's not. That's the white one,
Okay,
which
go
I
ahead.
hope doesn't fall either. Okay, but basically, you guys have. Are these the thing?
Yeah, so they gave us about like
Yeah, I can show you guys. Delina will talk about it. So
they gave us about 3, 6, 9, 12,
12.
15, 18, 20.
Oh, there's more.
24 methods that we can
Yeah.
actually choose
Delina means
from,
24
I
from the
think.
other 12 on this side. So which one are we gonna choose?
So we're just gonna go with
I think we're gonna go. You wanna go with this one? I think this is the easiest.
that one, X. Yeah, X seems fun.
What about R? Which one do you want to do? I don't want to do P. I know I'm gonna mess up if I do P. Because
Where's
it's
P?
It's right here.
Oh no, that's basically. I think no, it's not actually 24. I think it's more of like
2?
no, 1,
two
2,
different.
3, 4,
Yeah.
5, 6, 7, 8. 8 because each color has its own its own name.
Okay, so which one are we gonna do?
So we can go with like
we're
the
gonna go
easy
with the
one.
same one because
Yeah.
we don't want the video to be like half an hour long.
Yeah,
so.
we're gonna go with a really easy one so we
Yeah.
know how to do it for next time.
Yeah. You wanna do?
We can go with
Okay, the back side. Which one are we
I want
going?
to go with
We'll decide and get back to you.
Yes.
Yeah, let's do the tank top first,
Just to see how it is.
And then we're gonna time lapse the other one because again,
we don't want to waste too much time.
so let's start off with the tank tops. This is the tank top. It's not the best, but work with us.
And we're doing the total.
If you're doing this, you can give it to your brother or someone that you know that's a boy, because you're probably, if you did we like
Okay, so what we have to do is we kind of just have to pull it here.
okay. Wait, this one we're doing the
This one right here.
the
So lay your
stylish
fabric flat,
sunburst.
pick out the place you would
Yeah,
like
yeah.
to add stylish
Delina,
sunburst.
do it.
Next, pinch. So we're
Okay.
just gonna pinch here, put a rubber band. I'm just quickly reading the instructions, and
We're gonna take
wanna
this
just
out?
open it and we'll
Okay.
just start.
I have water on my. And it's really sunny, especially my part. That's what my hair is like this, guys.
So we're just gonna like pinch it wherever we feel like pinching. So
Okay, so
maybe
like
just
this?
pinch it like over at the top here and
Okay,
stuff
like
like
this?
that, just to make it a look.
Oh, not like that.
So
Here you go. The second rubber band. We're gonna count the number of rubber bands. So we'll put a rubber band counter right here. So we'll
you can
count
use
it.
as much as rubber bands
Yeah,
you
as
want.
much-
They
I
don't
think-
really say that in the instructions.
Do you want to
because
do?
It's up to you
You want to do 8?
for one shirt.
Yeah. Or like.
I think 4 or 5 should be good.
Okay, let's
I
do
think.
5. So
we'll
do
just-
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah,
Okay.
just to see how it comes out.
Okay.
And then you choose the colors you want to add on.
Okay, so I think if I'm home, I want to do blue.
There we go.
So we're gonna choose blue. We're gonna choose yellow, and we're gonna choose red. How many rubber bands we used? 5,
I
right?
used 5 for this one.
Okay,
So we're
so
just gonna make it like really.
since I don't need
tight a
purple, I'm
bit.
gonna put purple on top.
We're gonna make it a bit tight so that
Yeah.
it's be better for all of us.
Okay, so can I help drip the
So
colors?
as you guys can see, this is how it
That
turned
looks
out.
funny.
We
I
are
wanna
gonna
show
put
this
a
camera
different.
too.
We're gonna put like
Yeah.
you can put different colors anywhere you
Okay,
like.
so I'm going to do
So which colors?
yellow.
These 3, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So-
So I'm gonna choose red.
Okay.
Actually, because I like blue, I'm gonna choose blue.
Okay. I hate blue.
Just give it a bit of.
I mean,
twist.
I like purple, but I don't want to fake. So where do I do this?
And you just put it basically wherever you feel like putting. You can reverse. You can like flip over the shirt after it dries and put more. Like that's up to you.
It's totally
guys.
up to you.
So I think the back kind of turned out
Yeah.
great.
Let's just wait.
We're just gonna wait and see until it dries
So,
up, kind
Yeah.
of.
Why can't we like put this to a side and do the next ones?
Yeah, we can.
Okay, so we're gonna put this to a side. Of course, we want to show what's moving and everything, so we'll come back with the
Yes.
other shirts. We're gonna get on to the next one. So this time it's gonna be a little difficult because we're gonna be
We're gonna
sharing the
decorating-
table.
Yeah, and we're gonna be decorating our own.
Yeah.
It is kind of windy, so we're
really windy,
trying
so
to
our
cope
hair is-
with the weather.
Yeah. Okay.
So we both decided to actually do the, I think, the rainbow swirl.
yeah.
That we
So
wanted to
I don't know how to do that.
So you just choose the spot again for your swirl anywhere you like on your fabric. Then pinch your fabric.
Is it like this?
Yeah, I guess you can use it really like anywhere. I think it's like
So Delina will help me because I'm not the really good artist.
so you can kind of like just twist it like that. I used 4 rubber bands. They said 6. I didn't think I needed 6, but I think this should be fine. So we're just
Can we
gonna
retry it?
Yeah, I'm gonna retry.
It
So as you guys can see, I put 4 rubber bands.
and
I
as you
used,
can
and
see,
she
I did
used
6.
6. So yeah, we're gonna see how this goes. Clearly, we kind of didn't do it the way they asked, but it doesn't really matter. I guess
Yeah,
I don't
I
know
guess-
how they got theirs.
If it's a fail, it's a fail. If it's good, it's good.
And we're just gonna wear this wherever we want.
Yeah. So
We're gonna use random colors. So I said I might
I'm gonna
use
take
blue, I think, and a bit of red. I think
think
we're all
I'm-
using all colors. I think, or I don't know
Kind
if
of.
you're using all the colors.
I might.
I wanted to give like a try with blue, purple, and red.
Okay, so I'm gonna do purple.
Yeah, we can just go on.
A bit of the rest of the yellow. You can
Okay,
always do it
so
like this.
after you finish tie-dyeing, loosely wrap your project with plastic. This keeps the fabric damp while your colors set. Let your design sit for 6 to 8 hours. The longer it sits, the more vibrant your rainbow tie-dye will be. Step 5, once your design sets for 6 to 8 hours, remove it from the plastic bag and ask an adult to cut off the ribbons, which we can do that. Then rinse your fabric underwater until the water runs clear. So we make sure after this sits for like 6 to 8 hours. And I think you should go with 8 hours just to be on the safe side.
Which is gonna be really hard because I think it's like we
It's
have
gonna
to
be dark
open
by
it.
then.
Yeah. So So I think what we're gonna do is that we'll put pictures up of how it turned out.
Yeah.
But of course we can't film at 11 because it's really dark,
gonna be
and
really
we have to
dark
change up the
outside.
full setup, and it's gonna be too much work. I know. You're like, that's what YouTube is all about, but YouTube is more fun for us. So
we're just gonna let this sit for 8 hours
I
and then
think
rinse it in the water until the water runs clear, so you know that none of this is gonna run off. You can leave it on rest if you like, but on stuff that you're gonna throw out. So we might throw these out. We may leave it here, but we're probably gonna put it into like plastic bags.
Yeah, and leave it outside.
And leave it outside.
So now it's time to go and wash your hands, right? Towards the end of the video, and we wanted to let you guys know our end results and our comments and thoughts out of this video. So this is how my shirt looks, and then towards the back, it's the same exact thing.
Yeah. And this is how my front looks, and the back is also similar.
Yeah, similar. And then the tank top actually turned out much weirder than we thought, but the colors were good.
Yeah.
It's like this. Hope you can see it. But then, and the back looks pretty fine. It's not the best, but it's okay.
Yeah.
But the only complaint we had was that the sleeves we cut out too much. So be careful especially if you buy a large shirt. You should definitely want to keep the sleeves, or even you can cut the sleeves a little bit, but don't cut the full thing like us.
Exactly.
So hopefully that helped you a little, since we did it and we tested it out, so you guys don't cut like your sleeves open.
Exactly.
Or you can definitely give it to someone, or even like wear it for like fitness, like with the sports bra. So we hope this video helped. We actually enjoyed doing the video, so don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below.
And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know when we post.
And we'll see you guys next week.
Peace out.